Jefferson County Code Law number 2 is a section with its jail review docket. First case is cause number 23 CCCR 1384. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Carbon Jade Rayleigh.
Sir.
Mr. Rayleigh, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rayleigh, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Rayleigh, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rayleigh, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Rayleigh?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Rayleigh. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Sure, fine.
And Mr. Burbank, do you waive a record in Mr. Rayleigh's case?
We do.
Mr. Rayleigh, the state is represented in this case by attorney Haley Simmons. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Rayleigh, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled State's First Amended Motion to Revoke Unadjudicated Probation. And the state's filed this, they amended it this morning. Now, Mr. Burbank, do you have any objections to this state's first amended motion?
It does not amend, or does not, there's no difference in the body of it, Judge, so we have no.
Okay, and you, oh, it's just a number?
Your Honor, it's numerical.
Okay. Now, Mr. Rayleigh, the state has filed this first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. In this motion,
We're gonna go on 5, 6, and 7.
okay, in this motion, it alleges that you, Carbon J. Rayleigh, was tried in County Court Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on November 28, 2023, for the Class A misdemeanor offense of burglary of a vehicle. The court found the evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court deferred adjudication of guilt and placed you on 1 year unadjudicated probation. In this motion, there are 7 allegations. State, you're abandoning allegations 1, 2, 3, and 4.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Rayleigh, the state is abandoning allegations 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that simply means that they will only be proceeding on allegations 4, 5, 6, and 7. Allegation 5 alleges that you, Carbon J. Rayleigh, has failed to attend theft prevention classes as ordered by the court in violation of condition 8 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Sure.
It's true?
Yes, sir.
Allegation number 6 alleges that you, Carbon J. Rayleigh, failed to report to Orange County Probation Department as ordered by the court on February 8 of 2024 as directed in violation of this special amendment dated December 8, 2023 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
And allegation number 7 alleges that you, Carbon J. Rayleigh, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office each month by mail or web as ordered by the court of the months of December 2023, January 2024, and February 2024 as directed in violation of the special amendment dated December 8, 2023 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Now, Mr. Rayleigh, are you pleading true to allegations 5, 6, and 7 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rayleigh, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this document, let's see, this box that's checked, that's Emma, erase that because it's just supposed to be MTRP.
I couldn't get it.
Oh, get it erased? Okay,
No, my eraser didn't work.
okay. Oops.
See, yours didn't either.
There we go. Now, Mr. Rayleigh, I have before me Misdemeanor plea admonishment, which also states exhibit number 1. There's one box that's checked. The box that's checked is MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation. Mr. Riley, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And on the next page of this same document, there are a set of initials, 2 sets of initials. One set is for your attorney, and the other set, CR, which is your initials. They are on a line next to a box that's checked MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation, true to allegations 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, and 7. Mr. Riley, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next page, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Riley, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Riley, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State offer states 1.
Any objections?
No objection, states 1.
No objection, states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Burbank, you have advised and counseled Mr. Riley. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Riley, your attorney, Mr. Burbank, has advised and counseled you.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Riley, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 5, 6, and 7. I will also find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And I also find that the evidence is sufficient to revoke your unadjudicated probation, and your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea of truth, the state's offering 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail, credit for time served, and taxing or retiring all court costs.
Mr. Riley, the state is offering that you serve 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 15 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Riley, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Riley, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Riley, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. Now, Mr. Riley, you'll stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you can follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, this is your only case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day as well.
Have a good weekend.
Okay, same to you.
Bye-bye, Mr. Burbank.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
Oh, hold on, have Mr. Riley come back up. Oh, but you can stop right here, Mr. Riley, yeah. Now, Mr. Riley,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I just want to tell him something. Now, Mr. Riley, I see that you have some people here with you. And who are they?
My mom, my aunt, and my best friend.
Okay, that's good. Now, Mr. Riley, a lot of times, people come to court for their case, like you, and they don't have nobody here but themselves, okay? But on days like today, you said you have your mother, your aunt, and your friend, right? And you know why they're here? That they're not only here just because they are here to support you, but they're here because they love you. You know, they could have had other things to do, like some of your other friends had other things to do, and they're not here, right? But these people felt that there was nothing more important but to be here for you today. And the reason why is because they love you. Okay. And so you're blessed to have a mother, aunt, and a friend who take time out from their busy schedules to be here for your support. Okay. I tell people this all the time. Everybody's not your friend, everybody's not your partner. But when those people say they got you, they got you. Okay. And so before the day is over, you need to give each and every those two women a big kiss. And you need to give your friend a big bear hug, okay, for being down here for you today, okay? Now, this is not the proudest day in their life to see you in this situation, okay? You might think you're walking through a storm. You're going through a storm, but remember this. When you're walking through a storm, hold your head high. Don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of a law. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You know, some people might look at this as a stumbling block, okay? But you could look at it as a stepping stone. And people use stepping stone, they can use it to reach higher heights. So what I'm trying to tell you, Mr. Rail, is that anything you want to accomplish in life, whatever your goals are, this is not going to stop you from doing that. Okay, you still can do it. You just got to keep hope. Okay, hang on to hope. And one thing about hope, when you're drowning in the sea of confusion, hope floats. So hang on to that hope. Okay. But again, you need to thank all of those folks for being here today. And you know what? Let's make them proud of you one day. Okay, you can do that. You just have to believe in yourself. Okay. And I know your mom, she's probably thinking, you know what? I put a roof over his head, clothes on his back, food on the table. And she probably remember putting some spanking on your butt, right? Because she loved you. All of those things was out of love. And they're here today because of love. Okay. So you are loved. Okay. So if you have any doubt about anything, just remember this, you are loved. And that's evident here today. And so, folks, I'd like to thank you for coming down here and supporting Mr. Rayleigh. I tell people this all the time, hang on, don't hang up. All right, stay with it. Okay, we all made mistakes in life. We've all sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. But we have a God that is a God of not just a second chance, but another chance. Okay, some of us make more than one mistake in life. But this mistake or whatever you is not, it doesn't end all. It's not an end to it all. Okay. This is just the beginning. Don't look at this as a destination. Okay. But look at it as a place where you can start and achieve whatever goals you want to achieve. Okay. All right. All right. So you should be getting out sometime today if you don't have anything else over here. All right. All right. Y'all have a blessed day.
There you go. He said he wanted to get a contract.